Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the powerful filter options available on the job listing page. Whether you're managing hundreds of jobs or just a few, these filters will help you find exactly what you're looking for. At the top, you'll find a quick search bar. Just type in a job ticket number or a customer name to instantly pull up the job you're looking for. It's super handy, especially when you're on a call or helping someone at the counter. Next up, filter jobs based on their status. Choose from options like inward job, completed, pending approval, and more. This lets you focus only on the jobs that actually need your attention. Need to check the work assigned to a specific technician? No problem. Just use the Job Assignee filter to view jobs handled by any team member. You can narrow things down even further with advanced filters. Choose from payment status, paid, pending, or partial, device model, tax applied, GST or no tax, customer type, walk-in or corporate, job priority, high, medium, or low, job type, like repair, diagnosis, or installation, device type, mobile, laptop, and more, model for specific model filtering, and a custom date range, perfect for monthly reports. It's all about getting exactly the data you need fast. Want to start fresh? Just hit clear all filters to reset everything in one click. Got a barcode on your job ticket? Use the barcode scan feature to instantly locate a job, no typing required. Need reports? Click Export to download your filtered job list. It's perfect for Excel or sharing with your team. And of course, you can always hit Create New Job Ticket to log a new repair, quickly and with all the necessary details. And that's it. With these powerful filters and tools, managing your jobs has never been easier. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you've got any questions.